Get ready, tech fans, because Qualcomm Pulse is dropping the mic on the hottest news in the industry. We're diving headfirst into the seismic shifts shaking up Samsung Electronics, exploring if their stock is a steal after those critical US chip waiver revocations. This isn't just about numbers, it's about a tech giant navigating global policy changes and what it means for investors. Then, we're getting hands-on with the future of your phone's charging game as we break down why Samsung Galaxy phones are overdue for a full redesign to truly embrace the Qi 2 standard. We'll explore the design challenges and what a perfect magnetic future could look like. Plus, an urgent security alert for millions of Samsung Galaxy users. You need to update your phones right now to fend off active attacks. We've got the critical details on the vulnerability and why acting fast is non-negotiable for your device's safety. And finally, we're unlocking the secrets of your data with Galaxy AI, showing you how Samsung is putting you in the driver's seat for privacy and control. This is your chance to understand the power and the protection. You don't want to miss this deep dive. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get into it. Is Samsung Electronics a hidden gem after US chip waiver changes? Samsung Electronics stock has been on a wild ride, but recent surges and shifts in US chip regulations have investors buzzing. With a 20% one-year return and an impressive 41.2% year-to-date jump, Samsung is proving its resilience in the global tech arena. The core of the excitement lies in Samsung's strategic dance with evolving US and China chip policies, coupled with whispers of major partnerships and AI supply chain plays. These factors are pushing the stock price higher, but the big question remains: is Samsung Electronics attractively priced, or has the market already priced in future growth? To find out, we've dug into the financials. Using a robust 6-point valuation check, Samsung scores a strong 5 out of 6, pointing towards potential undervaluation. Our deep dive reveals that using the discounted cash flow model, Samsung's intrinsic value is estimated at $120,984 per share, suggesting a significant 37.7% discount to its current market price. Furthermore, its price-to-earnings ratio of 17.53x is notably lower than both its global tech peers and the broader industry average, reinforcing the idea that Samsung might be trading below its true worth. Investors and analysts are closely watching Samsung's response to regulatory shifts and its AI ambitions, with many seeing a compelling value proposition. Don't go anywhere, because the tech world keeps spinning, and our next story dives into the magnetic future of your smartphone. Get ready to see how the design of your favorite phones might need a complete overhaul. Samsung Galaxy phones need a full redesign to truly embrace Qi 2. Samsung is reportedly integrating Qi 2 magnets into its upcoming Galaxy S26 series, a move that signals a deeper commitment to magnetic charging standards. This follows a trend where previous models were merely Qi 2 ready, relying on cases for magnetic alignment rather than built-in hardware. The real challenge, however, isn't just adding magnets. It's Samsung's current phone design that clashes with the optimal use of Qi 2 and MagSafe accessories. The characteristic corner placement and vertical arrangement of camera lenses on most Galaxy phones leave little room between the cameras and the wireless charging ring. This often results in accessories not latching properly, needing awkward angling, or even partially covering a camera lens. While Samsung offers some solutions like a specialized magnetic wallet, the broader accessory market, especially for power banks and other magnetic gadgets, remains problematic. Leaks suggest the S26 series, apart from an Edge variant with an iPhone-like design, will largely retain the same camera layout, missing a crucial opportunity for a complete redesign that would fully leverage the benefits of Qi 2. This design limitation is drawing comparisons to competitors like Apple's iPhone 17 series and Google's Pixel, whose designs are seen as more accommodating to magnetic accessories, sparking discussion among users about Samsung's design choices. But that's not all the news shaking up the Samsung world this week. Up next, an urgent security alert that every Galaxy user needs to hear immediately. Samsung issues urgent security warning for millions of Galaxy users. Samsung has released a critical security update addressing an actively exploited vulnerability that affects a wide range of Galaxy smartphones running Android 13 or newer. This urgent patch is crucial for protecting your device from potential threats. The flaw, identified as CVE 2025-21043, was reportedly discovered through WhatsApp and involves a vulnerability in a third-party image parsing library. This could allow attackers to execute malicious code on affected Galaxy devices, potentially through a zero-click attack, a highly dangerous method where no user interaction is needed for the exploit to succeed. Given WhatsApp's massive user base, the potential impact is significant. Such zero-click attacks are rare, but often weaponized by sophisticated actors for espionage. While Samsung is rolling out the patch, the fragmented nature of Android updates means users might have to wait, depending on their device model, region, and carrier. Tech experts are emphasizing the importance of immediate updates and reinforcing basic security practices like using reputable antivirus apps and being vigilant about software versions, especially as cyber threats become more sophisticated. Stay vigilant with your device security, but we're not done yet. Get ready to discover how Samsung is empowering you to take control of your data with the latest AI advancements. Your privacy secured. How Galaxy AI empowers you to take control of your data. As artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our daily lives, Samsung is proactively addressing privacy concerns with its new Galaxy AI features. The company is implementing a dual approach, building AI with inherent privacy safeguards and leveraging AI to enhance mobile security. Samsung's strategy hinges on transparency and user choice. New privacy settings are designed to make it clear how user data is processed by AI, offering granular control over data usage. A key focus is on on-device AI processing, which keeps sensitive data directly on the user's phone, minimizing exposure. For more complex tasks, Samsung employs a hybrid model, combining on-device capabilities with secure cloud-based AI processing, while still offering users the option to disable online processing for AI features. Features like Live Translate and Generative Edit are examples of this integrated approach, prioritizing user control. The Security and Privacy tab in Galaxy device settings provides an intuitive interface for managing app permissions, data sharing, and identifying potential risks. Additionally, features like Auto Blocker and Maximum Restrictions offer further layers of protection against malware, unauthorized app installations, and data interception on unsecured networks. This commitment to privacy-first AI is resonating with users who are increasingly concerned about data security in an AI-driven world, highlighting Samsung's efforts to build trust through responsible innovation. And that brings us to the end of today's deep dive. But before you go, let's quickly recap the biggest stories. That's a wrap on today's Qualcomm Pulse. We covered Samsung Electronics stock performance amid US chip waiver changes, the design overhaul needed for Galaxy phones to embrace Qi 2, an urgent security warning for millions of Galaxy users, and how Galaxy AI puts you in control of your data. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more cutting-edge tech news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and share your thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to follow us on all social platforms for more.